Hello. In the last few videos on our YouTube channel, we have been highlighting the InMode Embrace RF skin tightening device. But we've gotten a lot of questions like, why don't you show us how it works? Why don't you show us what the procedure is like? I'm Dr. Aniket Venkatram from the Venkat Center for Skin, ENT and Plastic Surgery. And in this week's video, we are going to go into the operating room and see how the InMode body tight procedure is done. Now, for those who have not seen the previous videos, just to recap, InMode Body Tight Embrace RF platform is a non-surgical skin tightening device. Basically what it does is it uses radio frequency energy to help extra skin shrink, to help skin tighten. Now, how is this device different from other devices? Most other non-surgical devices work from outside the skin and they give energy from outside the skin, which is not very effective. The InMode device works from the under surface of the skin. It goes below the skin and gives the radio frequency energy. This is what makes this procedure so much better than other procedures. You can see our older videos, which will have a link coming up now. And the second point which makes this procedure better than other devices is that it can work on almost any part of the body. There are different probes. There's one known as Accutite, which works in the fine areas like the under eye. There is another probe called Face Tight, which works in areas like the lower face and the neck. And then you have Body Tight, which works on the body. So the way this device is different is that it produces something new in between non-surgical and surgical. Traditionally, non-surgical skin tightening treatments, they had no downtime, but they weren't very effective. Surgical skin tightening treatments worked very well, but they left scars and they had a long recovery period. So that is where this treatment is different from other treatments. Now, what's the big deal about skin tightening? Well, the thing is that a lot of cosmetic plastic surgery is about tightening the skin. Getting older involves skin becoming looser. So for example, blepharoplasty is for extra skin in the eyes, facelift is for extra skin in the face, arm lift is for the arms, tummy tuck is for the tummy. So when you have a non-surgical option to these treatments, it is something extremely useful. So with this introduction out of the way, let us now proceed and have a look at what the procedure is like. The procedure is done under local anesthesia. We give something called tumescent anesthesia. In today's video, we're going to look at body tight being done for the tummy. Our patient is a lady who did not want a tummy tuck, but she had a lot of extra skin which would not go away with liposuction alone, which is why we are doing liposuction under local anesthesia, which is again something that is our specialty. You can also see our videos on liposuction under local anesthesia. And because the liposuction alone would not be enough, she would be left with some extra skin. We're also doing the body tight treatment. So local anesthesia is given by making a few small holes and giving the local anesthesia. This is not very painful. It's more discomfort than anything else. You feel like there's something kind of moving around in your tummy, but the patient is quite comfortable. And then once local anesthesia is done, liposuction is done and body tight is done. So now let us have a look at how the body tight treatment is done. So today we'll be doing the InMode body tight on this patient under local anesthesia. Anesthesia has already been given, and liposuction has already been done. As you can see, the patient is comfortable. So this is the body tight cannula. It has an internal probe and an external probe. This will be going inside the skin, this will stay outside, and all this will be under local anesthesia. And if you zoom in over here, you can see our temperature settings. We have an internal temperature of 62 degrees, an external temperature of 37 degrees. So these are our cutoffs. And this is what makes this so safe, that it does not allow it to go beyond this temperature. So the big advantage of this, particularly in the tummy, is there are a lot of patients who want lipo, who do not want a tummy tuck with that big scar, like yourself. And so for them, there would usually be a lot of extra skin that's hanging, and a lot of them would just accept that. But this is a good way to bridge that gap. moving? You're okay?
A bit okay.
Okay.
Bit.
You're comfortable?
Yeah.
All right. Infuse yellow. In this way, we target the entire abdomen in zones.
Okay.
That's how we cover all the areas that we want.
Okay.
And in scientific terms, what this heat does is it shrinks the
Yeah.
collagen fibers.
Okay. Is the process same for the fat tumor in the sides?
It's similar, but in that we don't need this skin contraction so much because the bulk of your issue was in this lower central abdomen.
Yeah.
The skin in the sides is usually more resilient and it shrinks well by itself.
And what about the arm?
Arms, yes, arms we would need this. Arms it would be very similar. As you can see now, patient is comfortable. We're passing the radio frequency energy to heat and tighten the skin, all under local anesthesia. And the machine is giving me constant feedback on what the temperature is, so that I know how close I am to my end point. No, not really.
No.
Sculpting we do more when the amount of body fat isn't so much.
No.
In larger amounts of fat like this,
Yeah.
if you try to sculpt, it ends up looking fake.
Okay.
See, the point of sculpting is to allow the underlying muscles to show through.
Yeah.
If you, in large body fat, if you try to do that, you just end up creating fake muscles out of the fat.
Okay.
It doesn't look good. I mean, there is certain element of sculpting, we know more in some areas. So now we have reached the end of our body type procedure. I set the required temperature in all the areas of the abdomen, and as you can see, it was quite comfortable. Stand back. So as you can see, the procedure was quite comfortable. You can see that I was talking to the patient and she was talking back. She was not feeling anything. The whole thing is done quite comfortably and it does not take too much time. After the procedure, a dressing is applied and the patient goes home the same day. There is no admission. The patient comes to have the dressing changed for a couple of days. Remember, this is done when liposuction is done at the same time. If there is no liposuction being done, you're only doing skin tightening, which can be done especially in areas such as the face, then this kind of 2 days dressing is not required. After the procedure, the patient can go back to work within 3 days and the results of the surgery get better and better over the course of 3 months. The skin becomes tighter and tighter over the course of 3 months. And some studies even show the results becoming even better over the course of up to a whole year. The best patients for this body type procedure are those with mild to moderate skin. That is where this procedure works best. It is also a good option for those with excess skin, with a lot of extra skin, but those who do not want to undergo a surgery that will leave behind scars. So for example, like this patient, we get a lot of ladies who are good candidates for a tummy tuck, but they do not want a tummy tuck. In those patients, this is a very good option. I hope you enjoyed this video on the in-mode body tight surgery. Stay tuned, we'll be uploading more videos showing the results of these procedures and other aspects of this procedure. Do like this video and subscribe to our channel. Click the bell icon to be notified for new videos. If you have any other requests for videos, do let us know in the comments. If you have any doubts or questions, do contact us. Our contact info will be appearing on the screen shortly. Thank you. Have a great day.